Ahoy! Hi, Captain. Okay, very good. So before we start, I have here some pictures to show you. Then, what do you think is shown in the picture? Anyone? Okay. What do you think is shown in this picture? Okay, let us see. Very good. It's Cha-Cha. What about this one? Anyone? Okay, Salsa. Let's. Very good. What about this one? Anyone? Hip hop. So, very good. Last.
Puro very, pwede ba excellent?
Okay, Joanna. Okay, so let's see. Very good. It's ballroom. Now you have already seen those pictures. So what do you think you will study today? Anyone? Anyone? Children? Joanna? Very good. What else? What else, class? What else? What else? What else? What do you think you will study today? Children? Okay, so today our lesson is all about dance and eye. So now I will divide you into small groups and create a simple step dance movement with emotions. So this row, you will dance with your happy emotions. And this row is with excited emotions. And this row is sad emotion. And the last row is strong emotions. Ahoy! Okay, so row one, please stand. So I know that you know the trend song. Do you know how mo ang Okay, so you will dance with happy emotions. Are you ready? Ahoy! Okay, so let's start. Happy emotions. Okay, so give Al Indonesia class. Do you know Al Indonesia class?
Yes.
Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. So here's the teacher. Okay. So this time. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So the next row, you will dance with exciting emotions. So alam niyo, do you know what? Okay, so ahoy! Okay, so please stand. Okay, so let's start. Children. Excited emotions. Go, go. Okay, very good. Animation. Now, stand. Children, stand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, the third row. You will dance.
Go na daw.
Ano yung Lahat dapat na mauupo dyan, yung pagkaon kayo papel.